Welcome. Today, HS first year annual examination or promotion or HS first year final examination 2026 Udalguri district political science. Question paper and MCQ গোটে answer. Question paper আসলে question paper এইটো 2026 এইটো চাই ল'লো হ'ল তাৰপিছত part A 40 mark 1 to 40 MCQ থাকিব objective type question and answer question থাকিব তাৰ কাৰণে OMR sheet use কৰা হয় আৰু তাৰপিছত 41 42 and 43 এইবিলাক question আছে descriptive question start কৰি MCQ first 1 B Aristotle 2 A Gilchrist 3 concept distribute justice A Aristotle hobo 4 Latin word natio means sea nation. Question number 4 Joabaro Aisil. Question number 5 who said harm principle JS means A 5A. Question number 6 C Myanmar. Question number 7 Article 14. Question number 8 A it benefit people talent and capacity. Question number 9 principle of equal treatment for all is a key of stock. Legal equality. Number 9 C. Question number 10 C to empower women. 11 C share gender. 12B Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 13 the author of book Politics is A Aristotle. 14 continent of Africa is also called the dark continent A. 15 Cephalus is a Greek philosopher A. 15A. 16 Union Jack is the symbol of A. British nationalism. 17 father of scientific socialism is Karl Marx. 17A. 18 Mahatma Gandhi wrote Hind Swaraj in 1909 A. 1925 years C. 20 what is meaning of affirmative action B. 21 C. 26 January 1950 সংবিধান এফেক্ট হৈছিল question number 22 C preamble যোৱাবাৰো আহিছিল এইটো question number 23 C God or nature 24 the provision for abolish under 24D article 17 25 Supreme Court High Court empowered ensure fundamental right under the article 32 to 32 and 226 25 A 26 Dr. B.R. Ambedkar A 27 A 1950 Election Commission of India was formed 1950 A 27 C USA which of the country has a presidential form of government C USA 29 function as a president in the absence of president and vice president is Chief Justice of India 29 A who is the real executive in India 30 the Council of Minister C actually hoy ki Prime Minister so Council of Minister dia ase ei karone 30 C তাৰপিছত question number 31 terms of office of a member of Rajya Sabha 6 years 31 B 32 who declared whether a bill is money bill or not the speaker of Lok Sabha 32 C 33 legislative assembly can be dissolved by the governor 33 B 34 who appoint the judges of Supreme Court of India সবে জানে A the President of India 35 how many objects are included in Union list 100 35 A 36 India is declared a union state by the article 1 36 A 37 D 38 42 Amendment Act 38 also A 39 Community Development Program was introduced in 1952 39 A and last one 73 and 74 amendment came into effect in the year 1993 40 A This one descriptive. Any 5 2 mark. Define politics. Mention to concept of freedom. C. Elements of nationalism. Bill of Right. Power of President of India. Character secularism in India. Appointment of judges of High Court. H. Economic inequalities. Merit proportional representation. J. তাৰপিছত আহে question number 40 answer any 5 of the following. Write 3 function of state election commission. Argument against national self-determination. C. 3 measures to strengthen Indian secularism. D. Global citizenship. C. Direct principle. F. Union Council of Ministers. G. Fundamental right. Function of Constitution. I. 73rd Amendment of Indian Constitution. 3 feature. 3 causes of deviation of Indian citizen. Answer any 3. 5 3 are 15. Power and function of Parliament. B. Discuss the kind of equality. Discuss the Indian model of secularism. Jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India. D. And E. What is political theory? Discuss the subject matter of political theory. F. Emergency power of President of India. Thank you. আজিৰ ভিডিঅ' জাষ্ট পলিটিকেল সায়েন্সৰ এইখিনি থাকিল। Thank you again.